Hello everybody, today I'm going to show you my Ruud lighting 50 watt high pressure sodium wall pack up and down lighting fixture. It's more or less made to light a wall, but anyway, you have probably seen these fixtures many times before at hotels. At least that's what comes to mind when I think of these fixtures. I think of big brand name hotels like Sleep Inn and places like that. But they tend to use these fixtures because they do work out very well, but they're very expensive. I have always wanted one, but they're usually in the $200 to $400 range, and that's a lot of money for this kind of fixture, and I'm sure glad I didn't pay that. Got this at a Restore for $20. I could not pass it up because I have always wanted one. But other than that, as you can tell, it had some scratches on it. That's fine. I'm happy to have one. So we'll take the cord off here. Look in the bottom. You can see straight through. There you have a Philips 50 watt high pressure sodium bulb. That bulb came with the fixture. This fixture was brand new when I picked it up there. It had the instructions and everything in the inside. But you have your semi-reflective shield down here, and then the metal shield that goes all the way around is totally reflective, kind of like a mirror, as you can see with the light here, and that is what it is made to do on the inside. You can see here, see the arc tube right there, that will make it reflect right where you're seeing. So it's really made to light the wall up, or I mean down and upwards. So it's quite nice fixture. As you can tell, down here is where the ballast is stored. There's a lot of room for absolutely nothing down there. The ballast is a 50 watt advance ballast with a built-in igniter, which when I opened this up I was like, where's the igniter? Well, after reading a little bit, it's built into the ballast. So if the igniter goes bad, well, you have to replace the whole ballast unless you know what you're doing. Then you can replace the igniter itself in the ballast. But other than that, the socket and the ballast are all on one bracket, really easy to replace if you had to. Like I said, lights up and down. Have the cord coming out here. It had a really nice thick, I'd say that's about 1/4 of an inch, gasket around here. And since the wire just fits right in, it just fits right through there, put it on this nice board. Did not have any treated lumber around, so this is just regular. Put 2 holes in there, still kind of rough, got to round those out, but overall I am very pleased with it. So why not turn it on? Isn't that pretty? I've always wanted one of these fixtures. I'm so happy that I could get one. We'll put it like this so you can see the lighting effect to the best of the camera's grabbing ability. So I don't know, I don't really have much else to say about the fixture other than what I've already said. So we'll let it warm up here a little bit. Here's another thing that I guess I'd like to point out is, see these streaks of the light here? That is where the arc tube, I believe, is doubled, like I was showing you in the mirror earlier. Like you could see the lamp and then you could also see the arc tube. That's how it's really bright there. So I really like how it lights upwards and downwards. The only thing that I have to question is, if you're going to use this on a big name hotel, and well, like I said before, Sleep Inn, well, it doesn't have to be that one, but you know, there's so many others, they escape my mind, but like Best Western and was it Super 8, but there's just so many of them. But anyway, what I'm trying to get to is, why would you use high pressure sodium to light up the side of your building? And why use 50 watts? You know, like most of those hotels are 2 to 3 stories. I don't think this is gonna light it all the way up from the 2nd story. So I don't know, maybe the person that bought this fixture decided they didn't need it because the wattage was too low, or it was an up and down version and they didn't want that. There's also, of course, other versions. You can have it either cut here and from here, here down is all open. The top up here would be covered, and then it would be more like a wall pack fixture. But here, like it's up and down. Also, you can make all of the sides reflective, and a kind of a reflective cone in the center. I've seen one of those fixtures before, and it would reflect the light just down if this was mounted on a ceiling. So there's many different possibilities that you can do with one fixture just by changing out the inside metal. I'm saying it's pretty close to full brightness here, so hope you enjoyed the video of my amazing Ruud 50-watt up and down lighter high pressure sodium fixture. Also, please comment, rate, and subscribe. Thank you very much for watching.